experience I had few months ago where I just woke up one morning and I had several debit alerts that I had no control over the process. I remember calling the bank and I was told to just hold on for them to confirm if the recipient has actually received the money, but that if they discover that the money had not yet gotten to the recipient, the bank will be able to put a lien on the money. Few moments later, I was told that my ATM card had been blocked, so they had to um, do without the ATM card for that period of time. And then, but the way the thing works is that a bulk sum was removed from that account, and then subsequently the deduction was coming from the bulk sum. So you just keep getting the alert. This brings to my mind the fact that a lot of people do not know that there are laws that have been put in place to safeguard our personal information and ensure that we enjoy privacy in this country. We live in times where people have moved the businesses that used to take place in the registered business places to the cyberspace. The majority of the transactions now take place in the internet, and we put a lot of our personal information out there without actually knowing that there are laws put in place to safeguard and protect these personal information. A lot of people do not know that they have a right, or they have rights that they can actually exercise under the law. You should be able to know when to object to certain kind of requests to produce your personal information or your personal data out there. You should be able to know how long is going to be retained by that person. You should be able to know what rights you have should there be mistakes. Your channel of communication with the person who is actually collecting this personal data from you. All these things are there, but a lot of people do not know, and because everything is out there on the internet these days, we're talking about cyber security, we're talking about safeguarding, we're talking about privacy protection of data out there. So who takes responsibility? You should be able to ask, how safe is this information you're asking for? How safe, how rest assured should I be that a third party will not have access to this information you're asking? Because we just give you're trying to make payment for a particular product, and you're using your ATM card to process it. You're leaving your details on the internet. You will not ask, okay, do you have a mechanism that you have put in place as a business person to ensure that once I have done this payment, you take down this information? This information does not remain in this site or in this platform. So those are questions. You should also be able to object when it is necessary. And then you should be able to know when automatically it is something that you cannot fight. It's something that you cannot say no to, because there are circumstances when it is mandatory, when it is necessary for you to give your personal information out. So you have to be careful out there. You have to learn. Be careful. It's another day giving you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, help you live informed lives. We'll see you again, okay?